Now, Nigeria's stock market is up more than 20% this year on stronger than expected corporate earnings and renewed foreign investment. VOA West Africa correspondent Scott Stearns has more.
Nigeria is once again one of the world's best performing emerging markets, as foreign investors are boosting liquidity and keeping the value of the naira steady. With comparable emerging market economies showing just a 6% gain so far this year, Nigeria's stock market has rallied more than 20% since January, with average daily volumes up 76% over a year ago to about $20 million. The return of investor confidence following last year's huge bailout of failing banks has focused mainly on blue-chip banks and manufacturers of consumer goods, including United Bank for Africa, Zenith Bank, Nigeria Breweries, and Flour Mills Nigeria. Coyote Akindele is a director for the Lagos-based financial advisor Greengate Strategic Partners.
We're seeing some portfolio managers, international portfolio managers from abroad coming back into the market. They see value in the market at the moment, and they're taking positions either in the banking sector or in the food and beverage sector, especially because of the earning results of a lot of these companies have been pretty good considering the economic slowdown. I think the second thing we're seeing is that money market rates have collapsed really in Nigeria.
30-day money market rates are down from 18% in December of 2009 to just 2% today. That's driving investors back into stocks. Akindele says the key to keeping Nigeria's stock market rally going is keeping banking sector reform on track.
The banking sector is 60% of the market, so whatever happens in the banking sector will really drive the rest of the market. So I think in reality it's really what happens with the banking sector reform. Can the rescue banks be recapitalized? And can they get back on the path of growth? I mean, the results, the quarter one results from the three banks that have released them, which are First Bank, GTB, and Zenith, has shown that earnings are back, profitability seems to be back up, and the market is improving, at least for those institutions.
This stock market rally is all the more remarkable when you consider the political uncertainty over the health of President Umaru Yar'Adua. Investors say the sustained performance of Nigerian stocks is testimony to the leadership shown so far by acting President Goodluck Jonathan, who made a former managing director of Goldman Sachs Nigeria's new finance minister. Scott Stearns, VOA News, Dakar.